आई होप यस याद आ गया है ना, मुझे एक पत्ता उसको खींचना है और क्योंकि वो पत्ता खींच चुके हैं दैट मीन्स वो डिलीट हो चुका है और वो रैंडम होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज उसके खींचने का कोई मतलब नहीं है. So again if I do pop item, yes एक item और delete हो गया, let me print. Again if I do pop item, yes एक और delete हो जाएगा and let me print. But now the dictionary is empty and if I do pop item now, is it okay? Arey, how could I remove any item if the dictionary is empty? That's why it is raising error. Please do let me know. Is this okay? Pop item, keys, values. Let's move to another method. Next method. Clear, copy, get item keys, pop item, set default. Okay. So let's say set default. See the basic difference between the dictionary meaning of get and set. Get is something like reading. Set is something like writing. That means this function, this method can update the dictionary. But let me first check. Try to understand. Set method. What does set method do? Read it on the screen. First read it on the screen. Insert key with a value of default if key is not in the dictionary. But if the key is in the dictionary, let's see what it does. I'm saying something like this. Is one as a key present inside my dictionary? Please say yes or no. Is one as a key present inside my dictionary or not? That means set default will do nothing. Set default will do nothing. If the key is present inside my dictionary, set default will do nothing. It will just return me the value associated with that key, that is A. You need to remember this thing. That set default will never do anything inside the dictionary if the key is available. It will just return the value associated with that key. But if I provide a key which is not available and I am providing a default value, then what will happen? Since 4 is not present inside my dictionary, we are saying set the value of this key, which is 4, as the default value we provide. That 4 is the key and Pankaj will be added inside my dictionary. And since the value of 4 is Pankaj, it will also return Pankaj. Please take it. So set default can update if, basically only if the key we provide is not available inside the dictionary. Please reply fast whether this is okay or not. I want a reply from everyone so that I'll get to know what is happening. Things are clear or not. Shivam, please ask. Sir, it cannot update that key which is already. No. For that purpose, we have other methods, na? See on the screen, if I need to update the value of key 1, I can do something like this. Of course, let me print the dictionary again. That is a simple task now. Is it okay or not? Please ask your query as much as possible. We are on an online platform and I can understand things will be different. Okay, D dot. Okay, we got set default. Now we have update. What does update do? Let me write something. Okay, if we have a dictionary like 4 colon hello 4 colon hello comma 5 colon let's go. So let me write D dot update. Let's see update. See update D from dictionary or iterable from dictionary or iterable. See, that means we can provide argument here as dictionary or any iterable. We'll see. Don't worry. Let it be simple first. So if I say d dot update f, that means add the content of f inside d. Add the content of f inside d. F contains 2 pair, d contains 3 pair, and the good thing is the keys are different. In D, the keys are 1, 2, and 3, and in F, the keys are 4 and 5. So D will get update, and the total number of pairs in D will be 5. It will not return anything. See, please. Yes, Hemant, it merged them.
सर हेलो
हाँ बेटा बोलो, I'm listening.
सर, अगर हम कोई ऐसी डिक्शनरी लें सर, जैसे कि जिसको हमको मतलब डी को अपडेट करना है और एफ में मैंने की डाला है वन, वो सेमी कॉलन
मैं
हेलो,
दे रहा
तो
हूँ.
सर क्या वो अपडेट?
स्क्रीन पे देखो, मैं वही कर रहा था.
ओके
स्क्रीन पे
सर.
देखो आराम से. पता है आपका डाउट क्या आने वाला था. See, the word is update. The word is update. तो डी अपडेट होगी. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, अगर वन के साथ ए है और दोबारा मैं वन के साथ पंकज देता हूं, तो वन के साथ फाइनली कौन सी रहेगी, ए या पंकज? फॉर श्योर पंकज. जो भी डाउट पूछ रहा था, कौन पूछ रहा था?
मैं पूछा सर.
इज इट ओके?
यस सर.
चलिए. So let's check the last method. तो नाम से पता चल रहा है, it returns all the values. So we have just revised all the methods of the dictionary. Please go through all the methods thoroughly so that we can write programs based on all these methods. Ask your query if there is any. Otherwise, today's session is over from my side. And I'm planning to record every session so that those who are not able to attend the session can be benefited from that. And I hope Prateek is helping in that. Hemant, we will write programs, don't worry. Today I'm not feeling very well, so that's why I'm asking for a.
Okay.
Thank you everyone. I hope everything was fine.
सर सर एक्सक्यूज
जी
मी
जी
सर
जी जी।
सर जैसे आपने सर ये जैसे रोज का जो सेशन होता है तो ये सर क्या फाइल्स में बना के ऐसे आप अपलोड कर सकते हैं सर या
क्या सेशन? हाँ, रिकॉर्ड होके अब अपलोड होंगे, आज से हो जाएंगे, डोंट वरी।
ये सर ये फाइल ही अपलोड कर दिए तो इतना ही बहुत है सर बाकी तो लिख ही लेते हैं
डोंट वरी, पूरा सेशन अपलोड हो जाएगा, डोंट वरी।
ओके सर थैंक यू सर
ठीक है, ओके बेटा।
थैंक यू सर
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.